we're gonna go to the Boy Scouts pancake breakfast, but I figured I'd get to show this first. Wow, they're actually gonna cut the tree down. That's wow, they already took that off. Yeah, I don't know why they're cutting all that down. That's weird. But yeah. That's a nice car. Hey. How are you?
Good, how are you? Good to be
good.
You separate these, and the baskets are over here.
Okay, which one do I put in this?
It doesn't matter, but you just hold on to one side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then I would choose to put them all in that one.
We're hoping you don't. That's all. Because we have your name.
Okay, so this is the half that I put in.
Yep.
This is other ones in my first.
Right.
Just testing their abilities here to keep up with the crowd.
Okay, so you're going to get half and I'm going to get half and we're going to
Okay.
basket like we did last time.
Alright.
We both want a basket and I want a 50-50.
I hope you win it again this year.
Yeah.
Okay, and I need a name and a phone number for you.
Okay, name is Gary, G-A-R-Y.
It was like, holy cow, I was like, I think you're playing a lottery.
267.
And every day, if you do, and you win, like, remember us. Okay.
8576.
8976, yes ma'am.
There was people over there with me, and then these tickets go.
Good.
They got that right there.
Alright guys, open the door so let's give him this one. Because he's going that way.
We did half of these, so.
I got one more meal and then 350.
Okay, put them in whatever bags you want.
Alright.
Yeah, that will be fine. You all know
So
where to find me.
And 350.
Hey, good morning, how are you?
Okay. No. Okay, all right. Good morning. One there. Bounce you. Oh, that's nice. All right. Oh, Nest. Roll houses. That's nice. Arnold's. I like Arnold's. What? Oh, nice. Ooh, Vineyards. Good one for that. Starbucks. So, how do they know like which is ours?
She has the ticket range. So,
Oh, okay.
wonderful way. I should have checked which ones I gave you, but
Yeah. So they do know which one is me?
yeah, it's either you or me. I should have looked at the range. They go to them at the range, so they know we go up from there.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, because Yep. Right. Alright, put one in there. Oh, you're fine. And that spot's good. I'll buy a spot. Okay. Yep, so I'm gonna get some pancakes now.
It's really full. Thank you.
Have a nice breakfast.
Thank you.
Hello there.
One or two.
I'll take one, please. Thank you.
Have a good breakfast.
You too. Hello.
One, please. I really appreciate it.
Ah, thank you. Yeah, I'll take one.
You're just the
No thanks, I'm good, thank you. Hello there. I'll take a little.
Good job.
Thank you. Hello. I'll take two, please. Thank you. What's that?
Can you sit down the end here?
Yeah, sure, that's good.
Put your coat on the chair.
All right.
Anybody here want to take a break?
Yeah, I'll take a little fruit.
You want to take a break? All right, Zion,
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
do you want to take a break and have some breakfast? Or you waiting for mommy?
Oh, I'll take one of those.
All right, good.
Actually, I'll take one of
Take a
those.
break and get some breakfast yet?
Cherry.
Not yet?
Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you. Oh, and we got syrup. What?
There, I just put the hand sanitizer in.
There we go.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Multiple times.
She gave me a sugar
What's
packet.
this?
Right there.
Oh, you know where you're at.
Starbucks.
I just took them out to eat.
Or same as your hand. You're serving food, you know where you're going.
I did.
I love that you walk around trying to be helpful.
Thank you.
Two is good? All right.
Oh.
That sounds good to me.
Lunch.
Try the food.
Hey, Sean, there's spicy over there.
Yeah, I saw. I got some.
Oh, you did? Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Sorry. I got extra syrup. All right, let me put my purse down and get some coffee.
Yeah. Don't collapse under the weight of that. Bring your phone. We're gonna have to give you
Oh, girl. Yeah, it's very good. Oh, that was really good.
But that's kind of
Yeah, that's better.
Pancake's over there. Alright, well, I'm gonna head out now.
Okay. Do me a favor. This way. Thank you.
Oh.
Good seeing you.
Yep, good seeing you too. What's that? Yep, definitely. Oh, collecting coffee. Yep. That was the Boy Scouts, Cub Scouts pancake breakfast at St. Paul's. Shit, they're actually gonna tear that down. Yep, there's the guy again. Yeah, they're gonna tear that down. They got the whole thing roped off. Wow. Wow, look at all the sawdust. Damn. Ooh, the blades on that. That's shaking. Yeah, you can smell that. How many stories is that? Well, that house is about 4 stories from the ground level to the roof. Yeah, that tree is probably about 6 to even like 7 stories. That is high up. That's like Ferris wheel height at the Kimberton Fair. That guy has some big balls. What's that?
It's like a really loud sound somewhere. I don't know. I'm guessing it's coming from back there somewhere. I don't know. They cutting trees back there too?
No, I guess it's just...
Have you been taking pictures this whole time?
No, just for like 5 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Maybe over the couple of days while they were doing it.
I did it yesterday. I actually got them cutting that tree down.
Yeah. Wow.
I don't...
Okay. Is it digital?
I don't know why they're cutting it down. It didn't even look dead to me.
No, those trees were good. I'm not sure why they're doing that. Maybe dude's gonna sell the house.
I guess.
How you doing?
Oh, pretty good. I'm Sean, by the way.
Charles.
What?
We've spoken a couple times.
I think once, yeah. I just forgot. Yeah, so Jaws, yeah.
Yeah, it's a shame. Look, the tree's good actually. You know what I mean? It's a healthy tree.
Yeah, it has to be well over 125 years probably.
That's a big bird. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of fucked up a little bit, right?
What?
It's kind of fucked up a little bit,
It's
right?
very fucked up. Yeah, look at...
Probably a $20,000 job right here too.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, that house is going, I think. You know what I mean? Like either that or it's going to be demolished and something's going to be built in.
Oh, that's a shame too, because that kind of has
It's an old home, you know what I mean?
I think it used to be a garage at some point.
A garage?
Yeah, like a fix-it shop or something, or looks like a schoolhouse to me.
I've been here since 2006. This is actually wild.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the tenants are going to know at some point that they're here.
Yeah.
Because that's all that means, you know what I mean? You're creating lot space, that's all.
Yeah, my friends used to live on the attic of that building, and they said it was pretty bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You mind if I see some of the pictures you shot? Well, I'm not going to pick up line codes in my yard anymore, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Oh! Wow. There's the guy up there.
These guys are brave, dude.
Yeah.
That's high, dude. Like, he's up. Let's start, like, all the way up to the house, too.
That has to be like 7 stories probably.
Maybe 4.
What's that?
Maybe 4 stories.
Yeah,
I mean, it's 3 floors, so the basement.
yeah. Yeah, I guess a little more than that, yeah.
That's tough. Too bad anyway. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Why are they not cutting that one down?
Yeah, I have no idea. I hope they leave it. Yeah, you too.
The changing over there, is it?
What's that?
Changing over there.
Yeah, definitely.
Soon enough, we probably won't even recognize this place anymore.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Get a picture of him. Ah, the throw up. Ah, I missed the one part. They just took that down. Yeah, that definitely could kill someone if it whacked them. Yeah, I gotta be on full alert now. Oh, there's the police. Moving. I could sense it moving. Wow, that is one piece of thick wood. Pulling the rope there. Oh, come down. Yep, come down. Yep, that's right there. Yep, we got to go deep in it. Up. Oh! Boom. I want to see his big butt. Yeah, it's really smart. Oh, gonna cut another piece off. guy going up now? Yeah, one guy came down. Yeah, that guy there. Cool helmet. That kind of looks like an old teacher of mine. Hey.
You take a picture or take a video?
I was doing the video, the whole thing.
Oh yeah. Can you see you? How long?
What's that?
Can you see you?
Can I see? Can you?
Can you see the video? So,
Oh, you guys are gonna follow me on YouTube. Yep. Hopefully, walking the dog. Yeah, his phone's gonna follow me on YouTube. Hi, Darky. Hey, Darky. Darky.
you put your name here in this YouTube. This is YouTube, right?
Yeah,
Is this?
that's my channel.
Okay.
So if you sub to that, then I'll post it in an hour and you'll see everything there.
Nice, thank you.
Yep. Nice work. Yeah, so should be good. That's good. I got a new fan. Hard worker and a new fan. Perfect. It's a fancy boy with his fancy pants. His pockets. Yeah, fancy boy. Tough one, guys. I was getting ready. Good job, clean up. Up, here we go. Ooh, wow. Dang. Wow. Wow. Look at the A's on that woods. Up there's Bonnie. Hey. Yep. That was a over 100-year-old tree. 3 of them that have come down today, February 8th, 2025.